Okay, everybody. So, welcome back. This is Ian. It's again the 3rd of November. We're doing a bunch of videos today for our private learning community. I'm going to post a few of these on YouTube as well. So, this is for those of you who are really interested in using CARRD to build your brand, your web design business, your home based marketing company, whatever it is that you're aspiring to do. We're going to look at how to create a template using CARRD. So, here's a really simple landing page in our CARRD account that converts really well for newsletters. So you can see what it looks like here. So this is an example of something that you might want to sell to realtors or local financial advisors, or like a link in bio page for social media. And essentially, it allows you to sell a newsletter marketing service or a landing page that actually can dovetail into a newsletter marketing offer for folks in any sort of niche that you can imagine. So in this case, it's geared towards realtors, but we're going to show you really quickly how to say this is a template that you can reuse pretty much for any type of audience. So let's go really quickly. Here are the options that you have. Let's actually get out of that. Let's go back into the dashboard. Let's find that page really quickly. It's here, so let's edit it. Actually, this is already a template. But so what you could do is, in other words, you have 3 options. You can save this, or you have 4 options. You can save this to a CARRD URL, so you can publish this to a CARRD URL. Maybe I'll show you how to do that here instead. Saving it as a template. It's already a template, which means you can just reuse this over and over and over again. And I'll show you exactly how that's accomplished. From the template section within CARRD, you can publish to a custom domain, or you can just save it as an online draft, which is something that you're using, you're editing, or you're making further revisions to in the future. Again, you can make further revisions to all of these as you see fit, but nonetheless, I'm going to show you in this case how to use this as a template as well as to publish it to a CARRD URL. You can also publish it to your own domain very simply, but that requires some DNS information to be inputted, and we're not going to do that here. All right, so let's say really quickly, we're publishing this now. We're going to look at it, the demo. This is what it looks like live in the world. Here's the opt-in form here. This is actually working with the Review newsletter service, their API, now owned by Twitter. And then here are, some, interesting ways that you can use other links. So for an example, in this case, we have a link to, our brand manifesto, our website, email, which is mine, just a general Twitter. This isn't actually finished yet, so this just goes right to Twitter, so it can be customized for each client. Read past issues goes to our course community, which you can see here, etc., etc. All right, so let's really quickly, let's go back into the dashboard. Here are where all the templates are stored. So you can see that'll show up in the template area. And it's right here. And you can see I have a bunch of these templates set up already. Here's another one that's for real estate agents. Here's for Gumroad products. Here are for testimonials. And these just allow you to quickly and easily repurpose the same content for different campaigns, different landing pages, different products, or different clients if you're selling these as a service. So let's really quickly go back into this. Let's save this to a URL, and I'm going to publish this now so it's live to a CARRD URL that you can actually see in the world. So let's call this let's see if that's available. Lowercase letters, sorry. And it's available. So if I publish this right now, this will be a new live website that is available on this domain. You can see it right there, Agency Amplified. And this is a live page now in the world that looks good. It's super simple. And you can do 3 or 4 or 10 of these a day, depending on how much time you want to spend working on your card business. You could do 50 of these a day if you're selling these and you have a really good outreach campaign looking for clients, and you can sell them for whatever you want. You could sell these for, the standalone landing page for a couple $100, or you could offer a marketing service where you're actually helping your clients, let's say, build their email list, or build email follow-up campaigns. You could have the CARRD landing pages free, and then the real offer that you're selling is like a email marketing or automation sequence or a relationship rapport building campaign, etc. I use Review generally for these opt-in forms, but you can use any of these here that you want. They do different things. Obviously, something like Review is different than MailChimp, etc. But all these are really great opportunities because email marketing is something that is, it's a super high ROI, and it's something that never goes away in terms of the, kind of need in the business community. I mean, no matter what happens in the world in the immediate future or the short-term future anyway, the next 3 to 5 years, email is still going to be a big part of how businesses communicate with their clients, especially e-commerce, local businesses, etc. So this is just a great offer that you can incorporate. And all you need to do is add the API key to any of these services. As you can see here, this is for Review, display a message, etc., etc. The MailChimp has a little bit of a different requirement. They have an audience ID and an API key, but all these are, you can add tags. I mean, there's just really an unlimited way of using a landing page for email marketing purposes and selling that to clients, and then having a back end offer, which is like a monthly, weekly thing that has a lot of value. And you could even give this away for free. Beehive is a new email marketing service that I didn't even know that CARRD integrates with. I have some folks in my orbit now who are using Beehive, so I didn't even really realize that you could now do this with Beehive. But there you go, right? So it's very, very cool, and it's all CARRD, friendly, right? So there you have it. All right. Teach what you know, do what you love, wake up the world with your work. If you're interested in joining our private course community and working with me directly to build your brand and business, get in touch. You can email me, mindfulmarketplace@gmail.com, or click on any of the links in the description box below, and you'll get access to our course community. Thanks so much, and have a wonderful day.